How to track Temu orders. In order to track your Temu orders, you want to first of all open your Temu app, log into your account, and after which you click onto the your you section from the bottom of the page and go to your order from the list. When you go to your order, you then need to go ahead and select all orders. Then you want to select the particular order that you wish to track. Next to it, you could find the track button. From Then you'll see the carrier's tracking number and the latest status. If not, they're allow 1 to 3 business day for processing, and that's how you're going to track Temu orders. If the and likewise, you could expect you can expect within 1 to 3 business days for a warehouse processing before tracking or update begins. An estimated delivery window is provided at purchase, and for more frequent update, you could copy the tracking number and check the carrier as well. And factory factors like customers, now sometimes it could be a delay with the factors like customers, well, weather or inventory issues as well. So that's how you're going to track Temu order. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.